Sceptre monitors are budget-friendly options, but they can experience several common issues. Understanding these problems and basic troubleshooting steps will help you quickly identify and resolve most monitor issues. There are three main categories of Sceptre monitor problems. First, power-related issues, including monitors that won't turn on, keep cycling on and off, or get stuck in standby mode. Second, display quality problems such as dead or stuck pixels, color distortion, screen flickering, and backlight bleeding that affects image quality. Third, connectivity issues where the monitor cannot detect signals, has resolution limitations, or fails to switch between input sources properly. Here's an example of a common power issue: a monitor stuck in standby mode, displaying this message instead of your content. Display quality issues can appear as pixel distortion or color problems, visible when examining the screen closely. This affects the clarity and accuracy of what you see. Now let's cover the essential troubleshooting steps that resolve most Sceptre monitor issues. These basic checks should be your first approach to any problem. Step 1. Verify all power connections. Check that the power cable is securely connected to both the monitor and wall outlet. Test the power adapter if your monitor uses an external one. Step 2. Test your video cables. Try different HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables to rule out cable failure. Each connector type has different capabilities and limitations. Step 3. Confirm the correct input source is selected. Use your monitor's menu buttons to access the input selection and choose the port where your device is connected. Step 4. Power cycle both devices. Turn off your monitor and computer completely. Wait 30 seconds, then turn them back on in order: computer first, then monitor. These 4 basic troubleshooting steps resolve most common Sceptre monitor issues. If these steps don't solve your problem, you'll need to move on to more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced techniques can resolve persistent Sceptre monitor issues. We'll cover software updates, hardware inspection, and cost-effective repair decisions. First, update your graphics drivers. This resolves compatibility issues with Windows 11 24H2 and macOS Sonoma or Sequoia systems. Next, install monitor-specific drivers from Sceptre's website. These provide enhanced compatibility and unlock advanced features like variable refresh rate support. Adjust display settings, including resolution, refresh rate, and color depth. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu to configure internal settings. For hardware issues, inspect internal components. Look for bulging capacitors or burn marks on the circuit board. These indicate component failure requiring replacement. Test the backlight and examine control board connections. Use a multimeter to check voltage levels and continuity across critical components. Understanding failure patterns helps prioritize troubleshooting. Power-related failures account for 35% of issues, display quality problems 28%, and connectivity issues 22%. Finally, assess repair cost-effectiveness. Simple fixes cost $0 to $25 with 95% success. Component replacement costs $30 to $60. Professional repair ranges from $80 to $150, while replacement costs $150 to $400 depending on the model.